Good morning, it's Michael here from BTP again. Now, on a Tuesday, something unique happens here. On a Tuesday, all of our guys go into a meeting. It's a brainstorming meeting. It's all about those problems that people have got that we can't seem to solve. We need to do it as a group. So this is one of the things that makes us unique. We have almost like a toolbox meeting. We get together and we talk about the nitty-gritty and the weird stuff that goes on and plan our week. We make sure that someone's always working on those critical problems. So let's go and have a bit of a snoop and see what goes on here. Okay.
Well, I think we're working on that one. No.
So as you saw there, the team is sitting there going through the problems of our customers, making sure that someone's dedicated to looking after a particular problem. If anyone's got a skill in a particular area, then that gets handed to that person. And then that person might also, if they learn more of that, they give us training on Friday nights and we sit here and go through what they've learnt. So we work here as a team. We call ourselves the extreme team internally. And that's what it's all about here at BTP, is if someone doesn't know, someone else might know, do as a team, learn as a team, and get our customers back up and running. Well, thank you for chiming in and watching. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please leave a comment. If you think others could benefit from knowing about what we do, please share the video. Thanks for your time and have a great day.